Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So I'm recording this video for the second time. I recorded yesterday, but for a reason I know about, but I'm ashamed to acknowledge that it didn't record the audio. So today I'm going to show you how you can basically stop wasting time, money on Calendly, TDCall, iCall, all of those scheduling softwares that you have, and build your own. This will work in a compounding mode if you start building more stuff on Lovable as well, because we are building on Lovable. We are using Lovable to create a website for booking our calls without N8N, without Make, and connected with our Google account. So what we are going to need to do is we will ask Lovable to create a lookalike Calendly platform. So I want you to create a scheduling appointment page where it will be connected to my Google Calendar account. So I want you to make all the layout for the scheduling like Calendly, where I have the months. If I click on the day, I will see the time slots available. I want you to connect this to my Google calendar, so ask me all the steps that you need. I will get my client ID and client secret so I can give those to you and you can build the integration. I like to give more context in advance because it will help him prepare for it. So while he's doing his work, we'll do ours. We'll go to our Google account and we'll have to go to our Google Cloud Console. So Google Cloud Console, and we'll have to enter this one. We have, okay, I am on the exact plan. So here on my Google account, what I want to do, I want to go over there and I want to build, create a new project. Okay, so I've done this before. I have a project from my previous text here, but I want to create a new one. So go over to this button, create new project. We'll name it Lovable Test 2.0. I don't need to put any organization, and I'll just go to create. We'll wait a little bit while he's creating, and let's check what Lovable did. Okay. It stopped before, I don't know why. Okay. Build the layout for the scheduling calendar, please. Let's just ask him that. I don't know why he did what he did. Now I will select my project, Lovable Test 2, and I will search for Google Calendar API. And I'll go to this one right here, clicking, and I will go activate. Basically, we are activating the API for Google Calendar so we can later access her through API on our Lovable. So after we do this, we'll go to this page over here and we'll have these 5 options here. We'll go to telepermissão OAuth or OAuth consent screen, and we'll go to let's start. We'll name our app, let's say Lovable Calendar. We'll put our email, which is our main email, advanced, external, advanced. We'll put our email here, advanced, I agree, advanced, and create. Let's see if Lovable did something, not yet. Okay. After we did this, we now will go over access data, and we have to redefine our scopes. And I just like to come here, select all, and save, and save again. Okay, done. We have our scope defined. Now we'll go over to public and we'll add some test users, and we have to put our email, the one that we already built this API, save, and save. Perfect. We'll go over to clients now and we'll create a new client. We'll name it web software or web applicative. I don't know the name in English that's there, and we'll put these JavaScripts and URIs. But first, we need to come here. We need to publish our website, so we have this little domain over here, and say to Lovable, now give me the directions to make my connection to my client ID. I need the JavaScripts redirect and the URIs. My Lovable domain is this one. And I'll just paste it. Yeah, I know it go URI with E, not I, but that's okay. Let him think. Perfect. He gave me the authorized JavaScripts. Here we have. We'll copy this one, paste it here. We'll copy this one, paste it here. Now we'll copy this one. No, sorry. Oh, this one, and paste it here. Now we're going to create. We have our client ID and our client secret. Now what we'll do is provide OAuth credentials, and I'll ask him, can you give me the form to put my credential in it? Okay, it's supposed to give me a form where I'll put my client ID and my client secret so I can make the login. There we go. I'll copy this one, put it here. I'll copy this one, put it over here, and submit. In this moment, we are basically almost ready to go. We just need to ask him to make a Google Calendar integration page so we can integrate with our Google Calendar. So my credentials are now securely stored. He will have to ask me to go and make a login with my own Google account. Sorry. And what we'll have in the end will be something like this. So if I go over here to my dashboard and I go over schedule a meeting, I have demo call, for example. If I select 25 tomorrow, you may see I have 8:15, 8:30, but I don't have 9, 10, 11 because in my calendar I don't have that time slot available, but I have 8:15, 8:30, and because it's a 30 minutes call, I don't have anything more, only after 2, which is what we have here. And if I book here a test, let me just use my other email. If I put this here, you will see that if I confirm for tomorrow at 8, it will show up on my calendar automatically here. So that's what we are building right now. So he's creating. Okay, we have our page there. Connect your Google Calendar to show real-time availability and automatically create bookings. So now what I will need to do is I will need him to finish, and after he finish, I will save, publish, go to the website, and make the connection with my Google account. So let's go. He already did everything. Perfect. I want him to save so I can update this. It's saved, so let's update. Now let's wait because we are going to open this one and make the connection. So project updated. I'll come here and I will make the connection with my Google account. Let's see what's happening. Okay, he's not letting me doing it. I don't know why. Okay. Every time I click the button connect Google Calendar, it doesn't do anything. So let's see. Sometimes this happens, we have to do a little bit debugging, but basically the only thing we need to do is connect this little guy here and we'll have our time slots available. Oh, okay, yeah, he found the problem. That's the beauty of don't need to know anything from coding or etc, because the platform does everything for you. So you just need to basically to ask him, this is an error that is occurring, can you fix it? Just explain what you try to do and he will eventually. Okay, update Google Cloud Console, go to your OOO and update the authorized redirect to go here. Okay, so it's asking me to update my client. I'll just come here and update my redirect to this little guy over there and save. And probably I'm good to go, so let's just update this one. And let's see, because maybe we should have to wait 5 minutes. Let's see if not. Okay, nope, still nothing. So I will pause this, wait a little bit, and I'll come back to you. So guys, we are back a little bit later because we had some troubles here. Basically, he didn't got the correct URIs in Java UR redirects as well. So I had a little bit of debugging. Basically, I tried to connect, it showed me internal error. Then I tried to connect again and showed me a message, impossible to connect. And then the last one basically showed me this message over here. Okay, access blocked, error in the authorization. So I just sent this to Lovable. He asked me about my client ID again and my client secret, and we are good to go. So now that we connect this, after a little bit debugging, what I recommend you doing it is just take a print screen, explain it in the chat, put the print screen, and you are good to go. Okay? We have our appointment. I'll go here. I'll go connect with my account, continue, select all, and done. And with that, if I select here 25, Tuesday 25 tomorrow, I won't have available 9 or 1. And I can check here because I have these 2 meetings booked, but I'll have 9 a.m. John Doe, I'll put Diogo, and I'll put my other email, test, and I'll book in my calendar. There we go, appointment booked in Google Calendar. And then if I came to my calendar, I'll have agendamento com Diogo, and in the description, test. There we go. That's how you can manage to do this in a really simple way of building your own Calendly in a pretty easy way of doing it, and stop wasting money on Calendly whatsoever. Obviously, you can build this here. You can build more stuff. For example, I'll show you that you can build a task. Let's say if you want, I can have like tasks. For example, I can use AI to book a task for me. I'll say I want to call. I want to call João tomorrow. And if I create this with AI, what will display on my calendar? This one will be call João tomorrow. Okay, because he created the call for tomorrow. That's one way of doing it. Also, you can do more stuff. For example, I can show you, this is an example of a CRM I'm building, and I can say to the AI, cria-me uma nova lead, Diogo, em nova lead. Create me a new lead called Diogo in nova lead over here. I'll just press enter, and what the AI will do is operating my CRM and create me a lead. Put the email vidas.gutierrez and de qualificação to frio. So put the email to and the qualification to frio. And here we have frio. And then if I open this, so let me just close this. If I open this, I have my email here. This is a few things you can do with Lovable and create your whole environment inside your domain, inside anything that you want, and with authentication, because I'm the only one who can access that. I have Google authentication, so I can get into my platform, and this is a few ways you have to doing it. And also you have this amazing schedule appointment that we built, and we can disconnect here, and now I can connect again and just do all this step and connect to my account, and I'm good to go, and I'm good to book slots on my calendar. And obviously if I came here and I just free one slot, let's say I want to eliminate this one, eliminate this one, eliminate this one, so I'll have my morning available. If I just refresh my page, I'll have my morning available again. So guys, hope you enjoy it. This is the video for today. Well, we have this one now and another one coming later, so hope you enjoy it, and see you.